Hello everyone, you're welcome to Remia Technologies. At Remia Technologies, we do computer repair of both software and hardware. We do a lot of computer related skills and we teach a number of skills related to the computer. So a client brings me a laptop that is showing black and white. So when she brings it in, I'm going to find a solution. The solution is very simple. The filters of this laptop were tampered with. So we shall go to settings. You double click on the settings app. Then among the settings we have different options. You look for the accessibility option. So you come here and double click on accessibility. So after clicking on accessibility, we shall look at the different options still. We shall go in for the color filters. So here among the color filters, you click on it, then it will show you color filters on. So the color filters being on, that's the reason as to why our laptop turned into black and white. So what we shall do, we shall just turn it off. When you turn the color filters off, the laptop will go back to its normal coloring. So when you close accessibility, the laptop goes back to its normal color. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can please subscribe and visit us at Remia Technologies. We are located at Jebel Market, Juba, South Sudan. Thank you.